Are you trying to permanently delete your Discord account? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the exact process to permanently remove your Discord account. So make sure to stick around until the end to fully understand how everything works. First, open the Discord mobile app. Then tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap your profile picture icon located in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the option that says Account. Next, scroll all the way down until you see the option Delete Account. Go ahead and tap it to start the deletion process. But before your account can be deleted, you'll need to transfer ownership of any servers you own. To do this, go back and tap the three dots next to the server name. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down again and select Members. Use the search bar at the top if needed to find a specific member, and then choose who you want to transfer ownership to. If your server is small or has no other members, you can also choose to delete it. To do that, go back and select Overview. Then scroll to the bottom and tap Delete Server, followed by Yes to confirm. Once you've either transferred ownership or deleted your servers, return to your profile icon in the bottom right. Tap Account again, scroll to the bottom and tap Delete Account. Enter your Discord password, tap OK, and your Discord account will be permanently deleted. And that's it for this tutorial. If you've got any questions about the process, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.